It's your boy Shakes. Everything he makes is tasty. Okay, today it's a day to learn how to install the blinds. Doing it on your own instead of asking someone else, you know?
Okay.
I feel like every man should know how to do this. So let's go.
Asame.
Okay, sinebhaketi, pheyile, pensile,
Pensela.
yeah, ibe ibhora. Okay guys, this is our product. As you can see, I'm trying to open it to get what we need from inside, which is some small parts. We're gonna use them to hang the blinds. Yeah, blinds. These are the parts.
Okay.
As you can see, got some screws. Yeah, you're gonna need 11. If you don't know 11 yokwenzani, yeah, is to make the line straight, you know.
Straight.
Yeah, to give you that proper line, yabo.
Okay.
So we use 11 for ukwenza iline yethu kwazele xa sesiqhoma iblind yethu ingabi igoso. Yeah.
Okay, ndabona ke ngoku.
Yo,
Beningayazi.
ke ngoku ndiyamaka phana. As you can see, I'm drawing, taking measurements and line. Yeah, lining up my stuff, you know, before you start first. Then you also mark your holes. Those holes you're gonna bore, yabo. Yeah,
I see.
so yeah, start imark ke ngoku, yabo.
Okay.
Marks, then sigqibile ngemarks siyabhora ke ngoku.
Ayifuni ibhetye ke le.
Asoyibhora ke, yeah, you must be fit enough
Okay.
to know how to bore, like, yabo, uzofumana into accurate, yabo. So yeah, and uyifaka itshone, yabo, ibhori yakho, yabo. Yeah,
Phakathi.
funeka itshone ingene yonke, yantona.
Inside wenze sure ba ingenile
Okay, we are almost done.
ibhori yakho.
Kubalekile ke ukwazi ukwenza le noma nxa unjita man, because ilula le way. Okay, yabo, sifake ezano ngoku nje gqugqugqu, yabo,
Sure.
izanto ezimhlophe.
Sure.
Lena nazi into yethu ke le sihenga ngayo, sayifaka ngoku, sayiscrewfela ngoku. Before you know it, sesigqibile nje kanje, ya, you siyayilanduza ngoku, siyascrewfela nje ezanto sihenga ngazo pha.
Fast.
Sigqibe. Don't tell me like uzocela umntu mfethu ungumjida for ukwenza le way.
Soze.
Easy le way le.
Soze.
Andigaye yonke ke ngoku into.
Ayilula so.
Ndigaye yonke mfethu.
Yo, hayi uyitye yonke da. Uyitye
If
yonke.
you want to know how to hang blinds,
Yiyo le.
zapha my bro. Yeah.
Yiyo le.
Okay, lando yojija ngoku lena. Then we're done.
Yeah. We done.